lovelies, welcome back. We just got back from Costco, so I thought I would just show you a little Costco haul that we got. First up, we got these French macaroons that looked really delicious. We can't wait to snack on those. Then of course I had to get more coffee. We got toilet paper. My daughter wanted these Lucky Charms. Her and I will probably both eat this because I'm addicted to cereal. Then, of course, since it's that time of year, we got some eggnog. And then I got some Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I don't know about y'all, but cheese danishes are like my ultimate favorite bakery item. So we got a ton of, because they were like a 2-pack. So we got a ton of cheese danishes that I guess I'll be eating all this week. Then we got our favorite trash bags. And then a whole lot of Pepsi to drink. My husband picked up some of the Jimmy Dean sausage skillets. Then he got some truffle, Parmesan, and black garlic seasoning. Some Pam. Then he got me some wine to try. It looked really good. And then we got some steaks. And we picked up our dog Blaze some chew toys because we have to give him the tough stuff because little stuffed animals and things he just chew right through and leave a mess in. And we got some stuffed bell peppers, some good thick bacon, some Uncrustables, and then some pizza. So yeah, that's all of the stuff we got. I think I've already kind of cleaned out the freezer over here because we got a lot of stuff to put away in there. But this kitchen, as you can see, is kind of a mess. So we're going to go ahead and get that all cleaned up too while we put away the stuff that we got from Costco. So you guys are going to clean along with me.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say, that's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day, well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, we can never go back that
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will, 'cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere, to somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore. We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way, show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way, show me the way, show me a way where we still build our memories. Show me the way, show me the way, show me a way to somewhere, to somewhere.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through the longer I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better. If we both know we'll be together forever, I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. We can be like the trees in the wind, same old roots but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. We can be like the trees in the wind, same old roots but we can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Till the end.
And I just wanted to show you guys, Lifewit was kind enough to send me one of their laundry baskets to try. I love this laundry basket. It's so big, I can fit all my dirty laundry in there, and like I could also fit like a bunch of folded laundry in there if I wanted to, but mostly I just wanted to use it to put my dirty clothes in so I could take them from the bedroom to the bathroom, because I like how it has the little holders on there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the basket, and then there will be another video coming up of showing you a couple of their pillows. And again here, I just wanted to show you like how deep this laundry basket is. And it's so cute. I love the little stripes on it. I just think it's an all around cute little laundry basket. Hello. Sorry I sound a little funny. You'll hear this too when I'm editing the video and, you know, doing the voiceover and stuff. Sorry, I'm getting over a cold, so I sound a little funny. It's mostly my throat that just hurts, so that's why I sound funny. But anyways, I'm feeling a lot better. It's just I'm trying to get over this sore throat, so I've been, you know, drinking some tea and honey, and it's kind of helping with it a little bit. But anyways, I wanted to tell you guys today about Lifewit. They were nice enough to send me a couple of their products to try out to see how I liked them. You saw earlier the hamper. I love the hamper. I needed a new hamper because mine was getting all old and kind of dingy looking. So it's nice to have a newer one now that's even taller than my old hamper was, and you know, so I can fit a lot more of my dirty clothes in there. And plus it's got the handles on there so I can, you know, take it back to the bathroom, to the laundry room, and do the laundry from the bedroom, even though really it's not that far. But hey, it's nice to have handles on things to carry them off with. It makes it a lot easier. But yeah, I can fit a ton of the laundry in there. Even if I wanted to fold the laundry to put it in there, I can do that as well. But usually I just use it to put the dirty clothes in, and then I just usually put the clean clothes in one of my little basket things and then fold them and put them away then. But anyways, I also wanted to tell you about the pillows that they sent me. They're gel pillows. They feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. It's so nice. Like, I love this pillow. This one's my husband's pillow. They gave us a 2-pack. So my pillow is right here. I've been sleeping on it for a few nights now, and it's so nice. Like, I'm so comfortable when I go to bed now. Because, you know, obviously I like having a ton of pillows when I sleep, as you can tell. You know, I've always loved having a ton of pillows to sleep with. Otherwise, I feel like I'm just not comfortable when I sleep. But anyways, wanted to tell you about this pillow too. It's a gel pillow. It's super nice. This is the queen size one. It's super soft. It feels like when I sleep, like I said, it feels like I'm sleeping on a cloud. So, but yeah, Lifewit was, you know, kind enough to send this to us so I would, you know, review them, see what I liked about them. And so far I like all the products. So if you guys are interested in the products as well, I will have their website and stuff listed down below. And plus you also get a 10% off code that you can use, so that will also be listed down below.
But yeah, this one's super comfy. They also have another pillow on there too. I saw it was like a memory foam pillow. So if you'd rather look into that one, you know, they have that option as well. But yeah, the gel pillow though is super nice. Plus it's cooling. So, you know, when, you know, if you get too hot on one side of the pillow, just flip it over. Like, and I haven't even really need to flip this one over because it still feels so cool. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about some of the, you know, the couple of the products that we got, you know, like the pillow and then the cute little hamper, not cute little hamper, it's a nice size hamper. But yeah, just see if you guys are interested. But yes, I do recommend them. So go to Lifewit on Amazon and look around and you'll find their products on there. And I hope you will think about looking into them, seeing if you want to get them yourselves, especially with the holiday season coming up. I mean, who doesn't need new pillows to sleep on? Super nice.